Watch your footing on the ice.
Copy that, moving up slowly. Hook is secure on this side.
All right, take up the slack. Wind's picking up. Connectors are tight on the starboard side.
Confirmed. Ready for lift sequence 1.
All teams confirm clear zones.
Zone 3 clear.
Roger that. Commencing lift sequence.
Hit the upper strut again, still seeing grease. Roger, moving up now.
Check the load distribution on point 4. Reading stable at 5,000 psi. Roger that. Continue descent.
Tension steady on line 3.
Confirmed. Slow descent initiated. Watch the starboard joint. Okay, easy now. Bring it up 5 more feet.
Reading clear on the starboard side, coming up slowly.
Watch the clearance on the strut.
Pressure holding steady at 3,000 psi. Copy that. Proceeding with the next sequence.
Look at this wiring harness here. The insulation is completely brittle.
I see it. We'll need to replace the entire loom and document the corrosion on the switch panel.
Watch the tolerance on that axle housing. I'm taking it slow, almost polished.
This penetration is deeper than we estimated.
The caliper reads 80 thousandths. That section of the fuselage skin is completely compromised. The stress load on joint 4 is normalizing.
Confirmed. Welding sequence B is holding steady.
Are the hydraulic mounts secured on the tail section?
Yes, ready for the final fuselage segment.
Verify the labeling on bundle 34B.
Labeling is secure. Continuity check passed on the avionics bus.
Good, the integration sequence can proceed as planned.
Crane, bring it up 5 meters and hold. Copy that, 5 meters and holding. This edge needs a final polish before we mount it. The tolerance here is critical.
I agree. Making a note now.
Okay, the shock absorbers are coated.
Roger that. Moving to the support joints now.
All harnesses secured and routed correctly. Diagnostic confirms full system integration on the avionics bus.
Okay, pulling the film now. Clear on this side, keep it steady. The surface looks flawless, absolutely zero imperfections.
Confirmed. The trailing edge is perfect. Ready for installation.
Confirming steady illumination at 100%.
Taillights are calibrated. Ready for sign-off. Check the tolerance on that forward spark connection, character B. It looks tight.
Reading green on the diagnostic, character A, we are within specifications.
The stress distribution looks nominal on this bracket. Copy that. We're bringing in the hub now. Watch the clearance on the fuselage. All teams confirm status on the Cessna 401. Bay 2, green for movement. Roger that. Proceeding with the starboard lift.
Crane 1, slow descent, bearing 020.
Copy that. Moving to alignment.
Lower by 5 centimeters, watch the hydraulics.
Copy that. Coming down slowly. Alignment confirmed.
We are green for vertical lift, proceeding to staging area 4.
Copy. Pathway is clear.
Aft connector group looks clear. Lower another 2 inches.
Copy that. Moving down slowly. The pressure readings on the manifold look stable within tolerance.
Confirmed. Regulator response is nominal. Let's cycle the crossfeed valve.
The pressure differential on manifold 3 is still showing a minor variance. See it here?
Yeah, I see it. Let me inspect the coupling again with the scope.
Torque is good on bolt 7.
Reading confirmed. Rotational balance is within tolerance.
Alignment is steady at .001.
Proceed with the torque sequence.
Headlight assembly 1, lens clarity confirmed.
Roger that.
Navigation lights. Green module alignment checked.
Verify the alignment on channel 4.
Looks good. Schematic matches the routing.
RS stabilized. Inputting the new data now.
Confirmed. The synchronization check is green.
Odekopjéktak automatiseren. Esta born is among corvico lekebontemation hupig nakin correlates. Then active on colis de
Electrical systems check complete, navigation lights stable at 100%.
Copy. Logging final exterior validation.
Initiating the compression sequence now.
Reading nominal values across the board, engineer.
All right, team, keep it steady, slow and easy on the tug. Watch the wingtip clearance on the right.
Copy that. Steady as she goes.